Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're finding it hard to locate your saved post, this is how to go about it. So you won't see your saved post here. So you go back to your feeds. Let's say I like this post, right? Then I want to save this one. So you can see here saved post. And let's say I find some this post and I want to save this. Click on save. So how do I get this post? So just go back, scroll to the top. When you come to the side, you will notice saved items here. So when you click on saved items, you would get my items, but this is for jobs. So in case you can also save jobs here, and then you see them here. This is for YouTube. Sorry, this is for LinkedIn Learning, and this is where you can see your saved posts. So you notice that I saved this one and also this one. So that's how you save your post on LinkedIn. Thank you.